Let's start by looking at a situation where we have a module named utils that contains several functions that we want to use in another file. A module is essentially a reusable piece of code. Think of it as a toolbox where each tool is a function that we can use to perform a specific task. Here we're using an import statement to bring in three specific functions from the utils module. The curly braces here are used to denote named imports, allowing us to selectively import just the add, subtract, and multiply functions. Now that we've imported our desired functions, let's see how we can use them. We call the add function with two arguments, 1 and 2. The function performs the addition and returns the result which we store in a constant named sum. Similarly, we call the subtract function to find the difference between the numbers 3 and 1. The result is stored in a constant named difference. Lastly, we use the multiply function to calculate the product of 2 and 2. The result is assigned to the constant product. These constants are now ready to be used in our code wherever we need them. This is the practicality of named imports. We only bring into our current file what we need, which can lead to more efficient code.